Did you know that for every human cell in our body, we have 9 microbial cells? And if we forget about the size, we are only 10% humans and 90% bacteria. Yes, living inside each one of us are trillions of microbes like bacteria, viruses, fungi, and other life forms which together constitute our microbiome. The composition of this microbiome is unique to every individual and depends upon what we eat and how we live. The major concentration of our microbiome is found in our gastrointestinal tract, forming our gut microbiome. All the microbes in our gut together weigh around 2 to 5 pounds, which is roughly the size of our brain. Together, they function as a separate organ of their own and play a huge role in our survival. Our gut microbiome helps us in digestion, nutrient and vitamin absorption, formation of enzymes, amino acid, short-chain fatty acids. They regulate our mood, our energy levels, and help our immune system. In this video, we'll discuss 10 simple things that we can do to keep our gut microbiome healthy.
Number 1 is to eat more plant-based foods. Make sure to include fruits and vegetables in your diet. Vegetables are loaded with fibers which cannot be digested by us but are consumed by good bacteria in our gut. People who consume fruits and vegetables regularly are less likely to grow disease-causing bacteria. Number 2 is to swap out processed foods and sugars. Sugar and artificial sweeteners feed the bad bacteria and cause gastrointestinal distress in form of gas, bloating, and diarrhea. When we consume simple sugars on a regular basis, we run a risk of starving good bacteria in our gut. Also, hungry bacteria can eat the lining of our intestine, leading to inflammation. Swap out simple sugars with complex sugars to keep your gut and also yourself happy. Include more natural sweeteners like honey, dark chocolate, apples, banana, mangoes, coconut, sweet potato, etc. Number 3 is to avoid taking antibiotics unnecessarily. Antibiotics kills both bad disease-causing bacteria as well as the good bacteria that keeps our gut healthy. Antibiotics cause huge distress to our gut microbiome. Take antibiotics only if you must and always by a doctor recommendation. Also consider taking probiotics along with it. Number 4 is to take prebiotics and probiotics. Prebiotics are special plant fibers that help good bacteria grow in our gut. Prebiotics are a source of food for our healthy gut bacteria. Excellent sources of prebiotics include onions, garlic, artichokes, leeks, banana, especially unripe bananas, apples, oatmeal, etc. Probiotics are live yeast and good bacteria that live in our body and are good for our digestive system. Yogurt and fermented foods are natural sources of probiotics. Consider taking probiotic supplements in case of imbalances in the gut microbiome, of course by advice of a doctor. Number 5 is to eat fermented foods. Fermented foods contain beneficial bacteria that can help against and crowd out the bad bacteria in our gut, resulting in a healthy balance of bacteria in the intestine. Number 6 is exercise. Did you know that getting the heart pumping and sweat pouring was good for the diversity of our microbiome? Individuals who led a sedentary lifestyle have less diverse microbiome. Recent studies suggest that exercise has a number of benefits for the gut microbiota. It is linked to increase in the number of beneficial microbial species and enriching the microbial diversity. Running, yoga, gymming, any form of even moderate exercise can benefit the gut microbiota. Number 7 is sleep. Getting enough good quality sleep can improve mood, cognition, and gut health. Digestive health and well-being of bacteria in our gut have been recognized as factors that can also impact our sleep and vice versa. So, take a good night's sleep.
Number 8 is stress. A variety of stressors can negatively affect our gut microbiome, like psychological stress, environmental stress such as extreme heat, cold, sleep deprivation, etc. Practice meditation, mindfulness, yoga, or anything else that helps you de-stress and manage your mental and emotional health. Number 9 is to avoid smoking. Smoking alters the intestinal flora by increasing potentially harmful microorganisms and decreasing the beneficial ones. So quit smoking. On number 10 is to cut back on animal protein. Food from animals are rich in protein and other nutrients, but people who eat diets very high in animal protein may suffer harmful changes in their gut microbiome. Research suggests that people who consume lots of animal protein have higher risk of inflammatory bowel disease, a chronic condition that reflects poor gut health. So, cut back on animal protein. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching.